ये शब्द आपके एग्जाम में बार बार आते हैं, इसीलिए ध्यान से देखिए और अपनी तैयारी को नेक्स्ट लेवल पर ले जाए। Inevitability meaning the quality of being certain to happen. Unavoidable nature. Synonyms: certainty, necessity, unavoidability. Antonyms: ta, uncertainty, improbability, doubt. Example: the inevitability of technological advancements means that industries must constantly adapt to stay competitive. Formidable meaning: inspiring fear or respect through being impressively large, powerful, intense, or capable. Synonyms: intimidating, powerful, daunting. Antonyms: weak, unimpressive, feeble. Example: the defending champions remain a formidable opponent for any team in the tournament. Gritty meaning: showing courage and determination despite difficulty. Synonyms: tenacious, brave, resolute. Antonyms: cowardly, weak, timid. Example: the soldier's gritty determination helped him survive the harsh conditions of war. Sluggish meaning: moving, operating, or reacting more slowly than usual. Synonyms: lethargic, slow, inactive. Antonyms: energetic, swift, dynamic. Example: the sluggish economy has made it difficult for businesses to expand. Decisive meaning: settling an issue, producing a definite result. Synonyms: conclusive, crucial, definite. Antonyms: indecisive, uncertain, hesitant. Example: the captain's decisive leadership helped the team secure a last-minute victory. Waning meaning: becoming weaker or decreasing in power or intensity. Synonyms: diminishing, declining, fading. Antonyms: rising, increasing, growing. Example: Djokovic's waning dominance was evident in recent Grand Slam performances. Treacherous meaning: dangerously unstable and unpredictable, or disloyal. Synonyms: hazardous, perilous, unreliable. Antonyms: safe, reliable, loyal. Example: the players struggled under treacherous weather conditions during the final. Loathe meaning: to feel intense dislike or disgust for something or someone. Synonyms: hated, detested, abhorred. Antonyms: loved, adored, admired. Example: many fans loathe the idea of a tennis era without the big three. Ambiguous meaning: open to more than one interpretation, not clearly defined. Synonyms: unclear, vague, equivocal. Antonyms: clear, explicit, definite. Example: the ambiguous instructions led to confusion among the participants. Rampant meaning: spreading or growing quickly. And uncontrolled, especially in a way that is harmful or unwelcome. Synonyms: uncontrolled, unrestrained, widespread. Antonyms: controlled, restrained, limited. Example: corruption was rampant in the organization, affecting its efficiency and public trust. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe and share.